Impact of electrochromatic glass on healthcare facilities. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us as we present the energy efficiency and thermal benefits of electrochromatic glass on healthcare facilities, such as reduced solar heat gain and glare. Another option would be what we can call electrochromatic glass. Now, with electrochromatic glass, you can have zones. Notice how our glass up at the top here is darker. As we get lower, it progressively gets brighter. So our shading is reduced. We need more shading up here to cut down on glare on the desktop. We don't need it down here because it's just coming straight in. So electrochromatic can be set with zones to shade glass where it's needed or just shade the whole elevation. You can see in this picture there's still shadows on the ground. So light is still coming through. We've got plenty of light on the inside. But during the peak of the day when you've got the most direct light hitting the elevation, we can tint and darken up that elevation, preventing solar heat gain and glare on the inside. Then as the sun passes over, remove the tinting to allow greater amounts of indirect light coming through. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.